Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you very much.
How may I assist you today, sir?
Could you give me the menu before I decide?
Of course. Here's our menu.
Thank you. Could you recommend what is the best dishes in your restaurant?
Certainly, sir. Our customer favorite chicken chow mein. Would you like to try that?
Sounds great. I will get that.
Excellent, too, sir. Would you like any beverage to go with it?
Yes, a sweet lassi, please.
Sweet lachi. Anything else, sir?
Actually, could you make the sweet lassi without ice?
Great, sir. A sweet lachi without ice. Your order will be ready 20 to 25 minutes.
That's fine. While I wait, could I have something to read?
Of course. Do you like? Would you like to prefer newspaper or magazine?
A magazine would be fine.
Coming side up, sir. Would you prefer your bill now or later?
Now would be fine.
Understood, sir. I will get your magazine or your bill shortly.
Thank you.
Here's your magazine, sir.
Thank you so much.
How do you pay your bill? Cash or card?
Cash would be fine.
Here's your bill, sir.
Thank you.
Here's your change, sir.
This is your tips.
Thank you so much, sir. Here's your order. Enjoy it, sir.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you, sir. Come again.
You're most welcome.
Yeah, thank you, sir.